This is already activated biogas digester, and as you can see, this digester is made up of cow dung. We use cow dung to get our gas here. So this is your inlet, and this is your manure outlet, and this is your gas outlet also. As you can see, the balloon is already filled up. The balloon is already filled up. This is your balloon already filled up. This is about 500 liters balloon. As you can see, I want to on it so I can go and light it inside my kitchen. Let me go and light inside my kitchen. What? Mohammed, go on that road. Where is the lighter? Mohammed, where the lighter? There. So as you can see, I want to light it up. It is very low, so I want to go and increase it from here. Let me increase it from here. Yes, this, as you can see, we want to boil hot water. This is purely a biogas stove. We are boiling hot water now. We are boiling hot water. It's a biogas stove. We are boiling hot water. We can see open inside and see. But points the light very well. Point the light very well. The flames are very natural. No stain to pot. It's pure biogas digester. It's just from our digester, and it's working very well. It's working very well. It's working very well. It's working very well. It's working very well.
No, come on my phone before. You know how far more? Don't ever boy. For you with some boy.
The fire.
Close the door.
You can see the flames. You can see the flames. Very pure natural gas. You can see the flame. The water is already boiling. You can see the flame. You can see the flame. You can see the flame.